Okay, in this problem, we're going to find the value of the expression and round to 3 decimal places. And how you want to think about this problem, this is how I do it. I'm just going to rewrite it as 33.471 minus, this right here means 15 times the square root of 267. Now, in this problem, well, in any of these problems, we want to deal with the square root situation first. That's not really in PEMDAS, but now we're supposed to know that we're doing the square roots first. And how I manage these square roots is I find their prime factors. This is kind of a weird one, but we know it's not divisible by 2 because it's not an even number. And when I add all these digits, I get 15, which tells me that I can divide it by 3. 3 times 89 gives me 267, and you may not know it, but 89 is a prime number, and you can easily Google the list of the first several prime numbers if you're needing to know if a number is a prime number. Okay, so once we've got this factored to our prime numbers, in this problem, since both of these are primes, there's really not anything we can do to simplify this. So we're actually just going to go ahead and take the square root of this. In my calculator, I put in the number, and then I hit the square root symbol, and it's giving me the square root. So let me just rewrite this now. We've still got the 33.471 minus 15 times. And then when I get the square root of 267, it is 16.3401. I'm just going to go ahead and write down the first 4 digits. Okay, now we've got subtraction and multiplication. So we want to go ahead and multiply first. So I'm not even going to change this. I'm going to multiply by 15. And now this is 33.471 minus 245.1020196. And you can just go ahead and hit the minus sign and put in the 33.471 equals, and it's 211.6310. Since it says to round to 3 places, I'm going to carry it out to 4 just so I can see what I'm doing. And then before I stop, I'm needing to think about how the bigger number is negative, the smaller number is positive, so our answer is going to be negative. And then I'm going to round that to 3 places, and this is going to be my final answer. If what I did here was confusing, then just start over and put in 245.1020196 minus 33.471 equals. Okay, you're going to get the same number. You're going to get the same number, and you're just going to remember that it's negative.